Hey developers! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the AI generated code in Bolt using the built-in editor so you can tweak, improve, and ship exactly what you need. So let's get started. So what is Bolt's built-in editor? Bolt doesn't just generate code. It also gives you a live, browser-based code editor where you can make instant changes without switching tools. So here's the step one you need to do is to generate a project using a prompt. Try a prompt like create a simple blog website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bolt will scaffold a full project with separate files for each component. And then open the built-in editor. After generation, you'll see a list of files like index.html, style CSS, script.js, and click any file to open in Bolt's editable code pane. Then make a custom changes. For example, to change the blog title in index.html, you can also edit it directly. Or in style.ccs, you can change it. Then all edits are auto-save and instantly previewable. Test the JavaScript edits live. Edit the function in JavaScript.script.js and then use a preview tab to instantly see the changes in action. No reload needed. Then you can also regenerate a specific sections and this is optional. Highlight a section of code and click a refactor with AI. You can tell the bolt to simplify, to convert, or add comments and fix bugs. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.